Ang tatlong uncle ni Jose Rizal. Ang unang uncle ni Jose Rizal ay si Uncle Gregorio. Tinuruan siya ng pagmamahal sa pagbabasa at pag-iisip ng malalim. Ang pangalawang uncle ay si Uncle Jose. Hinikayat siyang magpinta, gumuhit at gumawa ng iskultura. Ang panghuling uncle ay si Uncle Manuel. Tinulungan siyang lumakas sa pamamagitan ng palakasan tulad ng paglangoy at eskrima. Dahil sa kanilang impluensya, naging mas matalino, malikhain at matipuno si Jose Rizal. Number 2, artistic talent. From an early age, Jose Rizal displayed exceptional artist talent. He sketched on books, carved wooden figures, and sculpted statues from clay and wax. Despite being introverted, he found joy in nature, often taking walks with his dog Usman. His artistic skill extend to magic tricks, which entertained both his family and the people of Calamba. When teased by his sister about his statues, he confidently predicted that people would one day build statues his honor, an ironic yet prophetic statement. Ang likas na talento ni Rizal sa sining ay makikita sa kanyang mga guhit, eskultura at pag-ukit sa kahoy. Ang kanyang malalim na pagpapahalaga sa kalikasan at ang kanyang pagkamalikhain ay nagbibigay sa kanya ng kakaibang katangian kumpara sa ibang mga bata. Ang kanyang tiwala sa sarili ay hinaharap na makikita sa kanyang pahayag tungkol sa mga estatwang itatayo para sa kanyang isang pahiwatig ng kanyang magiging mahalagang papel bilang isang pambansang bayani. Bukod dito, ang kanyang husay sa mahika ay nagpapakita ng kanyang liksi at kakayahan makaakit ang intensyon ng iba, mga katangian na naging mahalaga sa kanyang pagiging manunulat at pinuno. Many of his other childhood writings were lost over time, but his mother helped correct or refine his early work, shaping his literary skill. Pinapakita ni Rizal ang kanyang kausayan sa panitika mula pagkabata. Habang ibang mga bata ay nag-aaral ng alpabeto, ay dahil si Rizal ay sumusulat siya ng tula. Kabilang sa tulang kanyang sinulat ay ang Sa Aking Mga Kabata, na nagtataguyod ng pagmamahal sa sariling wika. Bukod sa tula, nakapagsulat din siya ng isang dulang Tagalog bago siya mag-8 taong gulang. Ang tinanghalang sa Calamba at Kalaunan ay binili para sa 2 piso. Ipinapakita nito ang kanyang pambihirang talento sa murang edad na hinubog ng kanyang ina upang lalo pang lumawak ang kanyang kakayahan sa pagsulat. Number 5. Lexo Riberas. As a child, Jose Rizal often spent time at the shores of Laguna de Bay. Reflection on the suffering of his fellow Filipino. Under Spanish rule, he witnessed the largest civil brutality Spanish innocent beleaguers for minor offenses such as failing to remove their hats. This daily injustice made him question whether people in other lands experience the same greatly. Despite his young age, Rizal grieved for his country, the oppression he saw awake his determination to find Despite his young age, Rizal grieved for his country. The operation he saw awakened his determination to fight tyranny. In a letter to Professional Blooming Tree, he revealed that this experience inspired him to dedicate his life to singing justice. He committed himself to studying and writing as a means to fight against Spanish abuse, believing that one day he would have the opportunity to fulfill this opportunity to fulfill this promise. Habang bata pa, nakita ni Rizal ang pang-aapi ng mga Espanyol sa kanyang mga kababayan, lalo na ang pagmamalupit ng Guardia Civil sa inosenteng mamamayan. Dahil dito maaga niyang naisip kung paano niya maipagtatanggol ang kanyang bayan. Ang mga karanasan nito ay nagbigay sa kanya ng inspirasyon upang mag-aral ng mabuti at gamitin ang kanyang panulat bilang sandata laban sa paniniil ng mga dayuhan. Influence of hero's boyhood. Although many children were born on the same night as Jose Rizal, he was the only one who rose to greatness. His success was shaped by three key influences. Number 1, hereditary influence. Number 1, hereditary influence. Rizal inherited intelligent creativity and strong moral values from his ancestor. Number 2, environmental influence. He grew up in an educated and well-off family that nurtured his love for learning. His exposure to Spanish oppression also fueled his desire to fight for justice. Number 3, divine providence. Number 3, divine providence. Results set destined for a greater purpose, guiding him to become the national hero of the Philippines. These three factors have more Rizal into a remarkable leader, right and virtue. Hereditary influence. Was inherited by straight from his ancestor and parents that shaped his character from Himalayan ancestry. He developed a deep love for freedom and his calm outlook on life. His Chinese ancestry influenced his patterns, frugality, seriousness, and love for children. From his Spanish ancestry, particularly his father, he inherited self-respect, a strong work ethic, and independent thinking. Meanwhile, his mother influence gave him a religious nature, a spirit of self-sacrifice, and a passion for arts and literature. This hereditary trait played a crucial role on molding Rizal into a great leader, writer, and national hero. Namana ni Jose Rizal ang iba't ibang katangian mula sa kanyang mga ninuno at magulang. Mula sa kanyang lahi na malayang nagkaroon siya ng pagmamahal sa kalayaan at mainahong pananaw sa buhay. Ang kanyang lahi ng Chino ay nagbigay sa kanya ng tiyaga, pagiging matipid, pagiging seryoso at pagmamahal sa mga bata. Mula sa kanyang lahi ng Espanyol, lalo na sa kanyang ama, namana niya ang paggalang sa sarili, kasipagan at pagiging malaya sa pag-iisip. Samantala mula sa kanyang ina, namana niya ang pagiging relihiyoso, diwa ng pagsakripisyo at hilig sa sining at panitikan. Ang mga katangian ito ay naging pundasyon ng kanyang pagiging isang dakilang bayani. Jose Rizal environment great influenced his development, the beauty of Calamba nature, while his religious home strengthened his faith. His brother Pasiano taught him brotherly love, his sister instilled respect for women, and his highest story sparking interest in folklore. His uncles helped shape his love for books, arts, and sports. Hardship like the death of his sister Concha and his mother imprisonment treating his releasing witnessing Spanish abuse of the executive of Gomborza awakened his patriotism, inspiring him to fight for his people freedom. Malaki ang naging impluensya ng kapaligiran kay Rizal. Ang Calamba ay nagpalakas ng kanyang talento sa sining at panitikan. Habang ang relihiyosong tahanan ay nagpatibay ng kanyang pananampalataya, tinuruan siya ng kanyang pamilya at mga tiyo sa pagmamaasakala, mansining at palakasan. Ang mga pagsubok sa kanyang pamilya at pang-aabuso ng mga Espanyol ay nagpatibay ng kanyang loob at nagpaalab ng kanyang diwang makabayan na nagtulak sa kanyang upang ipaglaban ang kalayaan ng kanyang bayan.